Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick video of my new plant stand that I got off of Amazon. Now normally I like doing unboxing videos, but because the box was so big on this item, I had to just do a video once it was assembled. Really sturdy, really nice plant stand, very easy to put together. Came with all the hardware you need. I like the fact they actually give you some extra hardware in case you have any problems, anything strips out, anything like that. You get some extra pieces. I do recommend a 10mm socket or wrench. They give you an Allen wrench to tighten the screws that are on the side. Let me see if I can show you those. These little screws right there, they give you an Allen wrench, but on the other side is a nut that if you have a 10mm socket or a wrench, it makes it a little bit easier to do the assembly. Assembly was piece of cake, took me about 30 minutes. It looks great. It holds a lot of plants. And it's very sturdy, it doesn't wobble or anything. So very happy with it. Anyway, just wanted to show you what it looks like once it's fully assembled. I hope this helps.